everyone, 5 cards are dealt from a well-shuffled standard deck, and this is without replacement. We're going to find the probability that all 5 cards are spades, find the probability that all 5 cards are the same suit, find the probability that none of the cards is an ace, and then at least one of the cards is an ace. So the first one, we're going to find the probability that all 5 cards are spades. We notice with spades, there's 13 cards out of 52, and we're not replacing it. So for A, that's going to be 13 divided by 52 times 12, because you're not replacing it and you only have 51 cards. And then you go all the way down to 5. You need 5 slots. So that's 50 times 10, that's 49, times 9, 48. Now when you do that, you're going to get 33 divided by 66,640. Okay? Next one. Find the probability that all 5 cards are the same suit. So for this one, what we want to do is find the probability. Let's just say for our first one, 5 spades. For the first one we did, A, we got 66,640. So basically that's going to happen on all these suits. So for our probability of 5 of any suits, that's going to be basically probability of 5 hearts plus probability of 5 diamonds plus probability of 5 clubs plus probability of 5 spades. So we're just going to use this. We already know that they're all going to be the same. So that's just going to be, since we have 1, 2, 3, 4 suits, that's going to be 4 times 33 divided by 66,640. And that reduces to 16,660. All right. And then number C, or letter C, find the probability that none of the cards is an ace. So no ace. If there are no aces, we have a total of 4 aces here. So 52 minus 4 is 48. So we're going to do probability of no ace equals 48 divided by 52 times 47 divided by 51 times 46 divided by 50 times 45 divided by 49 times 44 divided by 48, which equals 35,673 divided by 54,145. Now to do the probability of at least one ace, that means the probability of at least one ace equals 1 minus the probability of no ace. So since we already have no ace, all we have to do is take 1 minus 35,673 divided by 54,145. And that's going to equal 18,472 divided by 54,145. And that's your final answer. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.